Hi dear students, welcome back once again. Today we are solving a case study problem. This question appeared in the previous year, that is 2024-25 question paper number 31-1. Let's move on to the question. The question is, a brooch is a decorative piece often worn on clothing like jackets, blouses, or dresses to add elegance. Made from precious metals and decorated with gemstones, brooches come in many shapes and designs. One such brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Based on the above given information, answer the following questions. Find the central angle of each sector. Find the length of the arc ABC. Find the area of each sector of the brooch. Find the total length of the silver wire used. Let's move on to the solutions. In the question it's given that the brooch, a circle shaped brooch, is divided into 10 equal parts. In the first question, we need to find the central angle of the each sector. Since the circle is divided into 10 equal parts, that is 10 equal sectors. Now, we know that the total angle of a circle is 360 degree. Hence, angle of center sector or each sector is equal to 360 divided by 10. That's equal to 36 degree. So, the angle of a sector is 36 degree. This is the first question's answer. The second question, we need to find the length of the arc ACB. We need to find the length of the arc. Here given that the diameter is 35 centimeters. Diameter is 35 centimeters. Now we need to find radius is equal to 35 divided by 2, that's equal to 17.5 centimeter. We know the formula arc length is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Now substitute the values. Theta is 36 degree divided by 360 degree into 2 into 3.14 into r is 17.5. That's equal to 1 by 10 into 109.9. That's equal to 10.99 millimeter. 10.99 millimeter. Third question is find the area of each sector of the brooch. We know that sector formula, sector area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here r is equal to 17.5 millimeter and theta is equal to 36 degree. Substitute these values, we will get theta is 36 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 17.5 the whole square. That's equal to 1 by 10 into 3.14 into 306.25. Solving this, we will get 96.11 millimeter square. This is the area of the sector. In the fourth question, find the total length of silver wire used. So for that, we need to find the circumference of the circle, and 5 diameters are drawn. That is each equal to the diameter of the circle. So 10 diameters. Add these two, we will get the total wire length. First, we need to circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. That's equal to 2 into 3.14 into 17.5. That's equal to 109.9 millimeter. This is the circumference of the circle. Since 5 diameters are drawn, 5 diameters, total dia length is equal to 5 into 35. That's equal to 175 millimeter. Hence, total wire used is equal to 109.9 millimeter plus 175 millimeter. That's equal to 284.9 millimeter. Hence, the final answers are: first, it is 36 degree. Second, 10.99 millimeter, and the third, it's 96.11 millimeter square, and the fourth, 284.9 millimeter. These are the final answers of this case study. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.